Required reading: The Millionaire Fastlane. Crack the code to wealth and live rich for a lifetime by M.J. DeMarco. This book here, why I'm requiring this book at this point in the course, is because this is the most important book that I've read in my adult life in regards to entrepreneurship. This totally changed my way of thinking of what it takes to actually become a millionaire, be successful, and be an entrepreneur. It talks in depth about the process, and understanding that get rich quick is actually real, opposed to other options like retiring when you're 65, working for a company when you're for 40, 50 years, and then retiring when you're 60, in your mid 60s. In comparison to that, there is another way, and that's starting your own business and learning to invest your time wisely, and not only living a life that you're working for your weekends. You're just living your life for Saturday and Sunday, and actually creating a business and creating a system that allows you to enjoy your entire life, and not work at a job that you hate. And just some of the things that he talks about in this book have just really been groundbreaking for me. One thing that he really gets into is about the process. Understanding the process, that things do take time, things do not happen overnight, but if you put the necessary effort, energy, and education into things, if you study and learn and work hard, you can basically make anything happen in the business world. So definitely download this book, get it on Amazon, however you want to buy it. Buy the hard copy. There is even an audio version I think you could buy. So I would definitely recommend you reading this book before you start the next module. So again, the Millionaire Fastlane: Crack the code to wealth and live rich for a lifetime.